Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance or YFI, currently ranked at 178, and the price of YFI at the time of recording is the $8,400 level, right? We are down just about 3.4% with a market cap of about $279 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $61 million, and today we are going to be looking at what is our price prediction right here for the new year of 2024 right here for YEARN Finance. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video. In the last 2 weeks, we probably have just seen some sort of sideways price action right here for YFI, and as you can see, YFI is just up 1.2% in the last 2 weeks. So without further ado, let us push to the chart, and we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta, and we are on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? So for YFI, we saw our bottom right there in August of 2023, where we bottomed at the $4,500 level, and basically just using our fibs right here, right, we could just estimate using our fibs, right, our price prediction right here. We you can use that to get our price prediction right here for the month of January of 2024, right? So in by the new year, January of 2024, if we see a massive rally, that should see, or if we see any rally, that should take us round into that $11,000 level. So that could see the price of YFI push up another 33% to the upside, which we are expecting, right? So we could see for the price of YFI at January of 2024, we should expect another rally of about 34% right here to the upside, right? Which could see the price of YFI right there at the $11,000 level, right? So that's the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.